Hi, my name is Andrew Barber. I'm from Scotland. My race team car is an Evo 9 GT Mitsubishi AKB Racing. You'll find us on Facebook under the name AKB Racing. Please have a look. A little bit about the car. It's competed in UK Time Attack for several years now. It's the only car ever in UK history to win the Pro Class Championship 3 years in a row. It was a year out and I bought the car and I've competed now with it for 2.5 years. Finished my first season in the car second in class overall last year, and this year we have developed and moved the car on a lot over winter. We have used this year as a bit of a testing. We've competed in 8 races so far and had podiums at every race, so not too bad so far. Roughly, the spec of the car, it's between 700 and 850 horsepower, depending on engine specs we use. We use fuel racing slicks and fuel racing wets. Today we've came over across to the German Time Attack Masters to do their final race. We've been invited over to compete against some of these fantastic machinery around about this to see how we can fare. Hoping to race in Europe next year, so it's a good chance to see where the competition's going to be and we can decide what we do over winter.